back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to assemble our puzzle cube here using the puzzle pieces you have already created. So remember, my puzzle pieces are different. All right. So my procedure on how I assemble mine is going to be different from yours. So let's go to up here to new, standard, IAM, create. Okay. And then let's click on this little arrow right here. And if you want to grab some files, okay, here I'm going to hold down control and select them all. Okay, and then hit open, and then just click once. Okay, and hit escape because we don't want any more than that. All right, so the first thing you want to do is just kind of move your puzzle pieces around. Okay, so now that they're nice and spread out. Okay, so you guys know how to assemble your puzzles cubes. So start with a cube that you would start with first when you assemble your own. So I'm going to start with this one. All right, and I'm going to move that one a little bit out of the way. Okay, and I'm going to take this cube here. I'm going to right click, free rotate. All right, and I'm going to kind of move it so that I have it placed just the way I want to here. Okay, hit escape when you're done. Now this part's going to come right over here on top of that guy. So what we want to do now is come to our constrain tool. All right, let's use our mate option here. It's already selected. Now if you hold down shift in the roller button on your mouse, you can move everything around, which is a pretty handy tool to know. All right, so I'm going to click that face. Let's move it around a little more. That face, and I want it to be a mate with that face. Okay, and then hit apply and cancel. All right, once again, come back to your constrain button. Let's use the flush option because I want this face to be even with that face. Okay, hit apply, cancel. All right, now let's move on to our next part here. All right, I'm going to spin it around. Once again, hold down shift and the roller mouse button, and you can kind of rotate things around here. Okay, bring this part down and right click. Let's go to free rotate and hit escape when you're done. Okay, so I want to have this part, okay, come right in here. Now let's come back to our constrain tool. Make sure our mate option is selected. All right, let's put that face on the bottom there, right on this face here. Okay, hit apply and cancel. Now let's move it around. Okay, come back to our constrain tool. Our flush option, we want this face to be flush with that face. Okay, apply and cancel. And let's do this. Let's make our constrain tool, our mate option. Let's select that face and that face. There we go. Hit apply and cancel. All right, coming together, our cube here. I'm going to move this guy out of the way. All right, so let's take this blue part here, right click, free rotate, and it's going to go into my cube just like so here. Hit escape when you're done. So it's going to come right in here. All right, I hope you guys can see that. So let's come to our constrain button. Use our mate option again. All right, we're going to want that face, and we're going to spin it around, and we want it to be a mate with that. Okay. and then let's hit apply. Let's come to our constrain button again, mate. Let's make that face, okay, with that face. Hit apply and cancel. All right, almost there. Let's get a constraint again. Zoom in that face with that face. All right, and we are good. Hit apply and cancel. All right, I'm going to zoom out, find our last piece, bring it on over. Okay, once again, I'm going to right click. Let's do a free rotate. Hit escape. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see this. Our last piece is going to go right up in here in this last section. Okay, so let's come to our constrain tool button. Make sure your mate option is selected. Okay, let's go with that face and that face. Hit cancel. That didn't work too well. So let's come to constrain and let's try, well, this bottom face with that one. That looks better. Let's hit apply and cancel. Okay, now let's come to our constrain tool again and let's find our flush option. Let's make that face flush with that face. Okay, looks pretty good. Hit apply and cancel. And it looks like we still have a little bit of room to account for here. So let's come to our constrain tool, our flush option, hit that face. We want it flush with that face. Hit apply, cancel, and there we have it. Okay, our cube is finally assembled. All right, a system of trial and error. Keep practicing, you'll get better at it. I hope this video helps. We'll see you next time.